Design your bathroom like you're building a wardrobe. Trendy's fun, but timeless lasts. Some trends come and go, but your bathroom doesn't have to. Hey, I'm Christina with JSB Home Solutions, and if you're investing in a bathroom remodel, you probably don't want to walk in 5 years from now and say, ugh, why did I choose that? With remodeling over 150 bathrooms a year right here in Central Ohio, we've seen it all, from bold trend swings to timeless classics, and we help homeowners strike that perfect balance every day. In this video, we'll show you how to design a bathroom that still looks amazing 10 years down the road, even as trends evolve. And whether you remodel with us or someone else, this advice will help you make smarter, longer-lasting design choices. If that sounds helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips. Let's start with the foundation of a timeless bathroom. Keep the look clean and classic. That doesn't mean boring. It means choosing styles that won't scream a specific year, 5 or 10 years from now. Here's what that looks like. Subway tile in white or off-white gives a crisp, clean look that never goes out of style. Neutral finishes like matte black, brushed nickel or chrome work well across decades. Wall colors like a soft taupe, grayish, or muted greens and blues add interest without overpowering. Shaker-style cabinets bring just enough detail without being too trendy or too plain. Here's a pro tip. Add personality with towels, artwork, or accessories that you can swap out at any time, not permanent features like tile or cabinetry. Style means nothing if the materials don't hold up. The best long-term design choices are also built to last. Here's what we recommend again and again. Quartz countertops offer durability, low maintenance, and timeless appeal. Porcelain tile stands up to water, wear, and time without losing its charm. And luxury vinyl flooring provides warmth, water resistance, and a clean look underfoot. Solid wood or hardwood faced cabinetry wears well and resists warping over time. Here's another pro tip. Whenever you can, go for the real thing. Real wood, real stone, real quality. It'll look better and last longer. Timeless design isn't just about looks. It's about how your space works. Here are features that always stay in style. Walk-in showers with frameless glass feel spacious, elegant, and easy to clean. Built-in storage like recessed shelves, linen cabinets, or thoughtful storage solutions keep clutter off your counters. Double vanities are a daily lifesaver when space allows. And soft-closed drawers and doors are one of those little luxuries that never get old. Here's a pro tip. The more your bathroom works with your routine instead of against it, the longer you'll love it, no matter what trends come and go. Now let's talk about what not to do. These are the design choices most likely to feel outdated fast. Mixing too many patterns can be overwhelming and date your space quickly. Bright, trendy colors on tile or vanities might look fun now, but they're tough and expensive to change. Vessel sinks are stylish, but not always practical or long-lasting. Overly ornate lighting or mirrors tend to fall out of favor fast. And poor lighting overall will make even the best design feel tired. Here's a pro tip. Keep trends to things that are easy to swap out, like paint, mirrors, or hardware. Your bathroom should feel great today, but it should also still work and look great years down the road. So ask yourself, will this design still feel fresh in 5 or 10 years? Is this my forever home, or am I planning to sell in the future? Will a future buyer see value in these updates? Pro tip. Timeless doesn't mean plain. It just means making smart choices that reflect you, but with staying power. If you want a bathroom that's both beautiful and built to last, the design phase is where it starts. At JSB, we help homeowners avoid costly design regrets by curating materials, layouts, and finishes that feel great today and still hold their value years down the road. Click the link below to schedule a consultation or visit our showroom to start exploring your options. Design for now, plan for later, and love your bathroom every step of the way. Smart choices today lead to a home you'll love tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and always remember to dream big, remodel smart.